Hello everyone. Today I am going to perform the experiment fixed bias method. So in the first part we have already discussed about the aim and objective of the practical, what is fixed bias, how it works. Already we have discussed this thing. So now we are going to perform this experiment. Fixed bias is a biasing technique of the bipolar junction transistor. To perform this experiment we need some apparatus. So for this we need one transistor kit, TAT01 training kit. This is the transistor kit. Some patch codes, these are the patch codes, and some multimeter, these are the multimeters. So using this component we can perform this experiment. So this is the circuit diagram of fixed bias technique. So this is the bipolar junction transistor symbol. This is emitter, collector and base. The emitter is connected to the ground terminal of the battery. Then collector is connected to the 2.2 kilo ohm resistor, and base is connected to the 1 mega ohm resistors. And the power supply applied to this transistor is 20 volt. So in this kit, this is the transistor. Okay, this is emitter, base and collector terminal, and this is the power supply. So this is the resistance of 2.2 kilo ohm, and this is the resistance of 1 mega ohm. Now we have to take the observed value of VBE, voltage between base and emitter, then base current, collector current, then we have to calculate the beta value, then we have to observe the value of VRC, then VCE, collector to emitter voltage. Okay, from the calculation, that means using the 2.2 kilo ohm resistor in the collector, 1 mega ohm resistor in the base, we did some calculation and we got the values of IB equal to 18.71 microampere, beta equal to 75, VBE, base to emitter voltage 0.62 voltage, then IC we got collector current 1.3 milliampere, IE we got 1.36 milliampere, VRE we got 0.363 voltage, VRC we got 1.342 voltage, and VCE 18 volt. Now we are going to take the observed value and we will compare this observed value with this calculated value. Okay, the power supply is connected to the kit. Now we are going to fix the power supply voltage 20 volt. It's showing 2 volt. We will fix it at 20 voltage. Okay, we have set this voltage around 20 volt. This is the VCC voltage, supply voltage to the transistor. Using the power supply knob, we have adjusted this collector voltage at 20. It is showing around 20 voltage at the multimeter. Okay, this is the supply voltage. Now we are going to take the other values of the current and voltage also. Now the collector current is showing by the multimeter is 19.4 milliampere, and the base current is showing here some in the microampere range. Now we are going to measure the value of VBE, voltage between base and emitter. Okay, between base and emitter the multimeter is connected in the voltmeter range, and it is showing around 0.6 voltage, 0.529 voltage. This is the base emitter voltage. So we have taken all the required data using by the help of multimeter. So in the next part we will go for calculation and we will show how to calculate the values in the next part. Thank you.